Hey guys, it's Carly. Welcome to my Sweet Digs renovation. Before you come in, subscribe below. Did you do it? Okay. Oh, brace yourself. We got a lot of changes coming in this place. Let's go. I'm Carly and I am a production assistant at Refinery29. I live in Brooklyn with 4 other people. And this living room that we have is not a living room. For the money that we're paying for this place, we should have a place to eat. We should have a place to hang out with our friends. I mean, if people come over, forget about it. So today I'm taking on the challenge of renovating this space at 3 different price points: $75, $125, and $400. I've never really done like a big renovation before, but this needs help. It's time. Something in this apartment that has bothered me since the day I moved in is the ugly brown couch. I have not sat on it. Don't even get me started on the pillows. I hate them more than anything. It looks like pillows from my grandma's house in the 90s. It's disgusting, it's gotta go. So I found these pillow covers on Amazon, 2 for $10. They're nice little like country linen. I could still nap on it. They don't feel too rough. They're also just a neutral color. It'll go with anything that we do with this space. So as you can see, we are standing on empty wood floor. So I really wanted to bring in a rug that would add some color, add an aesthetic. So that is phase 1 of the renovation, and already you can tell with just these 2 items, it looks completely different. The pillows distract from the disgusting couch color that I still cannot stand, and the rug itself just makes it a cozier space. Like I can actually see my roommates and I just like chilling on the floor, hanging on the couch, actually getting to know each other and not isolated in our rooms. All right, so phase 2 of the renovation, I have $125. Really wanted to focus on creating more seating. There are so many of us. We have a lot of friends. At the same time, we also have a lot of crap and we need places to store it. I wanted to do kind of a 2-in-1 situation where we have more seating and more storage. This bench is from Walmart for about 70 bucks. It's beautiful. I love it so much. It was definitely worth the price. It was not worth the pain that we went through trying to build this thing last night. And can I just point out, if you're gonna ask me to build something, know that it will not be perfect, i.e. Overall, it turned out beautiful. I love it so much. It might be my favorite piece in the apartment. So when I first moved into this apartment, I loved it so much. For 5 bedrooms, it's massive. I love a lot of things about this apartment. Something I don't love, no shade, this is just not my aesthetic. And now that we have these plants and this beautiful storage bench and the rug, we gotta get rid of it. So I found them here on Amazon for about $43. I have my hammer, I have some nails, I have some weird plastic things that I've never seen before, but we're just gonna go for it. I was also really nervous that it wouldn't be the right shade of gold, but when it came in, I was pleasantly surprised. It was like exactly what I wanted for this space. I think it's just gonna open everything up, reflect some light. It's just gonna look so good. We did it, we got through, and now we have a cute little mirror. I'm so excited. So I had a little money left over my budget and I wanted to add some texture to this couch. So I got this fur throw. It looks hella expensive, but it was $15. And it just makes the couch look so much more sophisticated. So I saw this idea on Pinterest of using books as a decor piece. I found some books from work, I stripped them of their covers, brought them home, and created this like cute little ombre effect. All right, so we are on to the final round of renovations, $400. We have so much money to work with. I found some like pattern contact paper on Amazon, about 30 bucks each. So I'm so stoked to get this peel and stick on there because the accent wall is just gonna give it character. It's gonna make it look more cohesive. I actually could cry. It looks so good. This looks like a luxury apartment. I am shook right now. Like this is not the same apartment that I have been living in for a year. All right, so now that I have conquered the living room wall, you could basically say I'm a wallpaper queen. I thought, let's spice it up a bit with some chalkboard paper so that when people come over, it's like this cute little interactive corner. We can draw, play games. So we have completely transformed this room. It looks so different and I'm loving it, but I'm still not happy with this brown couch. So I found this couch cover on Amazon for about 34 bucks. I love the color and it is so soft. I do not want to get food on any of it. So I'm building a little table for us to have a place to eat. All right, so surprise, we also have 2 bar stools. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the floor. So many places to sit and chill. We can have all our friends here. It's great. I also got this plant from a local shop just down the street. It has pink in it. Like, who doesn't want a pink plant? Oh, it's so cute. I am so in love with my space. I have 4 roommates, but I don't really know them that well because we never really had a space to hang out and get to know each other.
This literally doesn't look anything like our living room. This is so crazy.
This is so beautiful.
Now we have so much seating. We actually all will probably want to hang out in here every night. I am so excited. This is just like a dream come true. Thank you so much for watching my Sweet Digs renovation. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here. And to watch more videos, click here.